I'm a great believer that a lawn is an important part of the garden, especially if you've got room to have one, because it's green all year round, but you do need to keep them fairly tidy. So we mow little and often, and we also trim the edges little and often because it makes life much easier. And there are various ways you can do that. If you've got a strimmer like this Cobra strimmer here that's got a head that can adjust, these are ideal, and this has got the wheels on there as well, so we can sit it on the lawn, and that makes a really neat job. And once you get the hang of the position of it, you can get round the borders really quickly. But the alternative, if you haven't got one of these, is to use the good old-fashioned long arm shears, and you can still get on really quickly with these. They need to be sharp. I like these because they've got adjustable handles, and it's just a case of really trimming around the edge. So we're just going to go past this plant, and I hold my right hand still and use the left hand to do the cutting, and that way you can keep a really lovely straight edge. And you can see I'm doing that quite quickly, as fast as the cameraman can walk backwards. And then what you do when you've trimmed the edge, because you're doing this little and often, it's very easy to tidy up afterwards. If you only do it once a month and the grass is that long, you get masses and masses of grass. So our little tip to finish off is to use a Dutch hoe, and we can see there's not a lot of grass, and all I'm going to do is use the blade and just flick that into the soil, so it mixes it into the soil. That rots down, you don't have to collect it, and we've got a lovely, nice, neat edge.